Oh, what's this? She's been playing like non-stop with this since yesterday. Huh. What is this? Is this your microwave? Well, let's get it out. Let's get it out.
My food.
Ooh, check it out. It's a microwave. How does it work? Let me see. How does it work? Oh, you started it? Yeah? Well, there's no food. There's nothing cooking. Don't we gotta put food in there? What happens if there's no food? You gotta put some food, right?
No, my God, bye-bye.
What? What'd you do to your fingers?
Paint it.
Oh, let me see.
Paint it.
Oh.
What?
Those are
Twice.
nice. Oh, it's done. What would we cook? Oh, she's busy. What you got in the bag here? The basket. Did you go shopping? Oh, did you go shopping and get some food? Oh, that's nice. Got some food? Alright, see you later. Alright, so yeah, she's been playing with this thing nonstop. She loves it, and she's been cooking food and serving us food like all night and all day. I've had a lot of hot dogs. So we're actually in a little bit. Hopefully, we're gonna have our little water war. We'll see if the kids in the neighborhood. There's like tons of kids around here, so we'll probably have a cool water war. I don't know who's all home, but we just gotta wait till the gardeners leave, and then we'll go out and play. So we'll check back then. See you guys. I figure out how to squirt this thing. Right. That's a squirt gun. Oh, I missed all that. I didn't even see it. Watch this. Right on your bum. Alright, I guess there's really no water war today. Everyone's gone in the neighborhood. So we're just playing. We'll have a crazy war sooner or later. Don't worry. Did you just eat it right there?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Careful. We'll have a water war later in the week. This is just a weak one today, huh? Practice, warm up. Go run through there. We got the little sneaky worm thing going though. Stand there just like this. Just put your head in there. Go, jump in there. Run through it, baby girl. Run through it. Run. Run. Oh, you're going to hit it with the bat? Oh, yeah. What's that going to do to it? Oh. What are you doing? Safe. Okay, we'll get everyone wet. We'll get everyone wet. Here, look. Here we go. Go through. Oh. Yeah, we're getting wet. Look, everyone's gonna get wet on the camera. Oh. Oh, you got toasted. And that's how you finish off the water day. By soaking your kid. You go sleepy.
It's a 10.
Oh, it's mom. Got. Oh, it's mom. Got. Oh, it's mom. Got. Go. Oh, you coming out? Busting out? Huh? You rocking out? I can't film you? Yeah, it's a little late for that. You came out and were strutting your stuff. Oh.
You have to get